In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Express key fob. Now, there are a couple versions of this device. I have the 5-button version. You might have a 4-button version that I think it just doesn't have this trunk button that you see right there. It doesn't matter how many buttons you have, as long as it has this kind of 3-button layout at the top, this little triangular button for the Express. You can follow along with me here, and the process to open it is going to be the same, and the battery is going to be the same as well. The only things you'll need to get this done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't know where to get one of these batteries, you can go ahead and check the link down in the description here on YouTube. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these batteries for just a couple of bucks. So the first step here, take your device and look on the bottom right side, right next to where the keyring attaches. We want to find this little indentation. There's a small space there, right along the seam in the plastic, right there. We're going to take our flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, just gently kind of wiggling it in, and just like that, it's already opened up. It really takes almost no force, so you can be gentle with it. Just go ahead, find that space, push in, kind of wiggle it in there too, and now just pull it apart with your fingers. If it comes falling apart, like coming out like you just saw, don't worry about it. We actually want to have access to this circuit board. So you can just now set these parts to the side and come over here. If it opens up and this is still stuck in there, what you want to do is either use your finger or your flathead screwdriver to just kind of lift out the circuit board. So just gently lift that out. Probably want to hold it from the side so you don't touch any of these little metal parts there. And all we want to do is just push the bottom of the battery out, just enough that we can then kind of slide it out the top with our fingers. Once you have it, you can dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2032, and make sure you are putting it in positive side up. So you want to see the text and the plus sign facing up, and you just slide it into place, push it down in there. And now all we need to do is just take the circuit board and drop it back in here in this little rubber component there. Push it down. Sometimes it gets stuck on the rubber right there. And you just want to make sure it's sitting in there nicely. And then all we need to do is click the back piece of plastic back on there. So snap that into place. And with that, you are all set and good to go. I hope that video was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We've got you covered with videos for almost every device for almost every make or model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, fobbattery.com.